Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for SUI price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting on the daily chart here, we are looking of course at our ABC towards the upside, where we have of course 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave A, or possibly a wave 1. Now after this wave A, we are looking of course for 3 corrective wave, which you would like to see as well as the same for your wave 1, in a wave 2, or in a wave B. Now, after this, you would like to see a continuation towards the upside, of course, impulsively, since we have here a zigzag which has started already with an impulse, or as a wave 3 towards the upside as well, impulsively. Now, there is two possible scenarios, of course, for this to end, of course, this impulse. One is that it might has finished, and the other one also that it might as well could finish in an ending diagonal. But we're gonna see the difference between, of course, the correction of it and if there is some continuation. So what we are looking at here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now your wave 5 can be ended in two ways. In this way, first one as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you have finished internally an impulse here as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing your wave 5 and finishing your wave C over here. And then you are looking for 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and a 5 wave toward the downside. Now, if that is your correction here, that means that you might still looking for higher after finishing here. And that might, of course, transform this into an extension for your wave C. And by all means, you might see here 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and one more extension for your impulse, which it can lead us, of course, to a wave 3, which is higher at a 1.618 level at $8.5. Now, the other way that this impulse might have finished is by simply having a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 finishing as ending diagonal. And by all means, you would like to see a much more higher prices though, as here you can see a zigzag for your wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And finishing this wave 5 of a wave 5, of course, of a wave C with an ending diagonal, of course, you would like to see a little bit more higher prices. And of course, finishing as this impulse, of course, with at least a $5 almost, because we did not reach it yet. We reached 4.9, which is not really psychological, but I mean, yeah, you know that for every coin, such a psychological number like a $5, you will start to see some take profit even before getting to the $5. And this is what we might looking at, of course, for SUI. So by all means, your second option for higher prices is an ending diagonal in that shape as 1, 2, and then looking for 3, 4, and a 5. Now, if we take a look, of course, inside the 1 hour chart, you have a much more idea what's going on, which scenario might be closer. As you can see, we are looking at here as finishing here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So probably your wave 5 at the 1 hour give us a potential of a finished impulse here. Because if you want to take this high here, if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, your wave 4 interfered with your wave 1, which is an invalidation for an impulse. However, you're still looking for higher prices. If we want to take this as 1, 2, and then, as 1, 2, and then 3, or a zigzag, let's say ABC, and then ABC, and then of course ABC, that might work, of course, as a contracting diagonal. So by all means, the option that we saw that on the daily, it might be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for an ending diagonal for a over $5 price for SUI. Now the bearish scenario is that you have finished exactly here and you're looking already for ABC here, 3 waves down and 3 waves up, right? And then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Knowing that this is a high, of course, this is a wave C here as A, B, and a C, of course, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your A, B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave C. So basically, it is still a 3 waves towards the upside. So you would like to see, of course, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a wave C finishing of course this expanding flat at 1.618 as a common target, as uncommon target 1.38, between $3.27 and $3 for SUI. And if we take even a closer look here, we can see that this might start kind of an impulse. Of course, we need to go a little bit even lower time frame. So 1, 2, 3, 4 invalidation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as ending as leading diagonal. Actually, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 1, wave 2 here, 1, 2, and then continuation towards the downside, impulsively probably, of course, for a wave C. And in that case, guys, of course, we are looking after this expanding flat. We are looking for higher prices, probably as an extension, of course, towards the upside. However, everything to be reanalyzed in that area, of course, to see if there is a potential to go up again. So that was it for SUI. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.